Do you want access to airport lounges with DragonPass? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to set it up, find the right lounge, and actually get in without confusion. What DragonPass is a membership that gives you access to participating airport lounges, plus extras like dining offers and fast track at some airports. Setup and activation is like downloading the app, creating an account, and activating your membership. If you bought DragonPass directly, you could sign in and it should show your membership. If it came from a partner like a bank or credit card program, use the in-app activate tab or add membership option and link it to your account that you may get through an email or through the app program you got it through. Step 3 is to search your airport in the app. Pick your terminal, then tap the lounge. Step 4 is to tap the lounge, enter details, and double check. You can look at opening hours, locations, access rules. When you arrive at the lounge, you can open your digital membership card, QR, in the app and present it at the desk. If you're bringing a guest, make sure you have enough passes or purchase extra entry in the app if your membership allows it. Some quick checks before you walk to the lounge: do these 3 things. Confirm you're in the correct terminal. Some airports have lounges only in specific terminals. Open the lounge page and check hours and any entry notes. In the app, confirm your membership is active and you have visits remaining. And once you wrap that up, that's it. Once your membership is active in the app, it's basically just search the airport, pick a lounge, show the card, and if you want, you could tell me your airport and terminal, and I'll tell you what to look for inside the lounge page before you head over yourself. If you like this video, subscribe and like the video. Tune into Howard's How To's for more simple tutorials just like this.